Did you know that you can make money with ChatGPT? And one of the easiest ways to do it is by creating a video talking about how to make money with ChatGPT. According to the majority of videos on the how to make money with ChatGPT topic, you can just generate an ebook in seconds with AI and make thousands of dollars overnight, which wow, why did I not think of this sooner? But seriously, I have watched a crap ton of these types of videos and 99% of them are completely unrealistic because ChatGPT is not a magic pill that you can swallow to make thousands of dollars overnight. Unfortunately, making money is not that simple. If you want to make actual money with ChatGPT, like livable income money, then on top of all of the work you need to put in, you need to have actual skills and value to offer. Because if you don't have that to begin with, then you have nothing to sell, and ChatGPT won't change that. But if you do have skills and you have value to offer, then you can combine that with ChatGPT and make the process of making money much more efficient and actually increase your income. So, with this being said, how can you use ChatGPT to realistically make money? Let's talk about it. The first thing you need to do is the most important step, because if you don't do this first, then the other points I mentioned or any other money-making methods in general will not work. This step is overlooked by so many, which is why 99% of the people that try and make money online fail, whether they use ChatGPT or not. Going back to earlier, it's not that generating an ebook with ChatGPT to make money is necessarily bad advice, but why would anyone buy an ebook from somebody they don't even know that is blatantly produced by AI when there are thousands of other ebooks out there on the internet published by people doing the exact same thing, trying to make a quick buck? If you want to make money by selling something or offering a service or monetizing, then you need to build trust and authority with people, and you need to get eyes on what you're offering. Without any eyes, there's no one to sell to, and no sales means no income. Which is why if you want to make realistic money with ChatGPT, you need to start by building an audience. Doing this is the cornerstone of monetizing effectively. Once you have an audience, you can make money from ads, sponsors, or you can drive that traffic to other things that make money, which I will talk about later. Now, obviously, building an audience takes a lot of time and effort, but don't let this point discourage you because you don't actually need to build a large following to start making money online. If you haven't heard of the 1,000 True Fans concept, it basically means you don't need millions of followers to make a living on the internet. Instead, you only need 1,000 true fans who are so dedicated that they will buy anything that you produce. So for example, if on average a true fan spends $100 per year on your work, then 1,000 true fans would generate $100,000 per year. This is all to say that a small, loyal audience can still bring in significant income, making the audience building phase crucial, but still manageable. You can build an audience on any social media platform: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, if you really want, or you can even start a blog and build an audience there. No matter which platform you choose, the first step to building an audience is choosing a niche to get started in. You can either choose something you're very knowledgeable or passionate about, or you can choose a lucrative niche just because you want to make as much money as possible. From there, you can utilize ChatGPT to help you get started making content by getting it to produce an endless supply of ideas within the niche that you chose. You can validate those ideas by going to the internet and seeing if other people in your niche have done the same and if their content has performed well. After that, it is just a matter of actually producing the content to build your audience, and ChatGPT can help you along every step of the way with this, from research to drafting outlines to coming up with titles or headlines, and of course, to actually writing the content. But with this being said, it's important to realize that content that is blatantly produced by AI will not get you very far in making money because it is low effort and boring. Content you create using AI as a tool rather than a replacement will do so much better actually connecting with people and will make you a lot more money in the long run. So with that being said, use ChatGPT as a tool for brainstorming and refining ideas, not for simply automating and pumping out low effort content. Once you have an online presence and a small following built up, you can start bringing in money from ads and sponsorships. But there is one particular method you can actually start doing from day one that isn't really difficult to get started with and can make you money while you sleep. This method is probably one of the easiest ways to generate passive income on the side, even if you don't have a large audience yet, and is something you want to incorporate day one into your content. If you haven't figured out what I'm talking about yet, I mean affiliate marketing. So in a nutshell, affiliate marketing is where you promote another company's product and get paid a percentage for every sale made through your referral link. So why is this method one of the best ways to make money even if you have a small audience? Here's why. So affiliate programs have different percentages that they will pay out for every sale made through your link. So if you prioritize affiliate programs with a high commission payout, like 50%, for example, then you have a lot of potential to make a lot of money, even from just one person using your link. For example, if even one person buys a product through your link that's $500, then you still get $250. To put that into perspective, for a YouTube channel with a CPM of $4, which is how much money you make per 1,000 views, you would have to get 62,500 views to make $250 from ad revenue alone. So how can ChatGPT help you make money with this? Well, you can simply use it to create content ideas that are optimized for promoting affiliate links. You can ask it for ideas on how-to guides, tutorials, product comparison videos, product reviews, or listicles that go over different products. You can also make finding the affiliate programs super easy by literally just telling ChatGPT your niche and asking it to find those programs for you. Then you can just plan to make content around the affiliate programs that you signed up for, mention that product in your content, and then provide the affiliate link for your audience to use. There is a lot of potential for making passive income here if you create good content around products actually worth promoting. Okay, so the next method I have for you on how to make realistic money with ChatGPT depends a lot on, number one, having an audience, and number two, having built up authority in your niche so people trust you and are actually willing to buy from you. To build authority, you need to create high quality, well-researched content and demonstrate your expertise by providing value. By consistently producing content that demonstrates your expertise, people will start to view you as a trustworthy, authoritative figure within your niche. And then once you get to that point, you can turn your knowledge into digital products like ebooks, courses, or guides. ChatGPT can be really invaluable here by pointing out what common problems people within your niche deal with, and then you can offer a paid solution to one of those problems using your expertise. Once you have your problem, you can start actually creating the product by using ChatGPT to help you structure it, do research, and actually write the content. And then once the product is actually finished, you can use ChatGPT to help you build a landing page, find a landing page. You can help it write copy for the product, and you can use it to help you write social media posts to further promote the product. And then of course, you can sell the product to your audience. And if you have built trust with them, you have successfully built another income stream. And yeah, those are the most realistic ways you can actually make money with ChatGPT. All of these methods require a lot of effort, a lot of time, and a lot of consistency. They will not happen overnight, but that's what makes them realistic. It is possible to make money with ChatGPT, but you aren't going to do it by generating an ebook in seconds. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other videos you would like to see on how you can use ChatGPT to improve your life. That is all I have for you today. I will talk to you later. Adios.